Hello guys. Today we are going to Exploture, a breathtaking experience of a bike ride. We are riding towards a spot called Slope of Hell. As the name goes, it's really a hell lot of scope with a downhill of almost 80 degrees of angle. So, are you ready? Are you with me to Exploture? Yeah, let's go. So, guys, here we go. We have reached our destination. As you can see on the right hand side, there are railings for the protection of the people like us who come over here for a thrilling experience. But yeah, it's a breathtaking. We have reached the top of the mountain, and from here, like the 80 degrees of angle, we are going to go downwards. So, let's enjoy. So, yeah, let's go. Here is my guide, my friend Mr. AZ, who has instructed me to be very steady, very still on the bike, not to lose the confidence and not to lose the grip of my bike. As you can see from both the sides, it's a deep valley down there, and if I lose the grip of my bike, I am going to go straight down. So, yeah, wait a second. I just need to be perfect. Yeah, my heart is pounding like a hell. I'm having sweat all over my body. My sweat is coming down from the hairs inside the helmet. Yeah, wait. So, being steady, being in full confidence. Yeah, I'm going to do it. It's a hell, really, as the name goes. Oh shit, he's already at the end of the slope. Now he's recording me, I suppose. I'm going very steady, very much. Shit, my tires are sleeping. Don't skid now, as I can pass through the railing. But yeah, finally I'm down. Yeah, great. Yeah, let's check out the other angle. He has recorded me. Oh man, why I am keeping my leg down? But yeah, it's okay. You can see the degree of the slope. It's really tough. But yeah, finally I did it. Great. Chalo, let's go towards Rajmachi, which is a fort near Lonavala. From here it's around 15 kilometers, so let's proceed towards it. It's a very good fort. We are not going to go upside because there is no way to go upwards, but yeah, till the start of the fort we can go. So yeah, finally we have reached towards the ground. Now we can catch up the speed, so in between we can enjoy the beautiful landscapes, the scenery, and everything. So it's not a concrete road or a tar road, but it's normally created by the trucks which comes uphill, and it's really an off-road experience from here. So here we are reached to a point where we are going to take our off-roading experience to a next level. Yeah, we are going to go through a riverbed. You heard it right. It's a riverbed, not with the water right now, but yes, it's flooded when it's monsoon. So let's enjoy this as well. And yeah, again he is going to guide me. Oh my, look at this huge stone. Yeah, let's go. I know you can do it, my bike. So, yes, come on. Yeah, yes. Yeah, so I thought it would not go. Oh, he's trying something different. Let's check it out. Yeah, great. Oh, I need to try that as well. Okay, let's go. Yeah. This was seriously a next level off-roading experience. Wow, liked it. Yes, so let's move towards the final stop, which is Fort Rajmachi. We can enjoy the jungle surrounded by us, the various chirping sounds of the birds, nature. Yeah, we are fully into the nature. We can also see some passing by people who are going for a trek or maybe towards the fort. So, yes, wow, it's so good. And yes, we have reached to the final spot that is Fort Rajmachi. From here, we need to go by the foot, that is why it is called Paitha. And now my tummy is empty, so I am going to fill it with so called Indian burger, which is famous as vada pav in India. So let me enjoy though. And finally, on concretes, way back to the home. Yes, it was a very good, really breathtaking experience. So guys, hope you like this video. Please give your comments into the comment box below, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up for more such videos. Yeah, thanks for watching.